Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create components in NextJs. To get started, open your NextJs project in VS Code. First, create a folder named Components in the main directory, and then create a file called button.js inside the Components folder. Next, write a function named button that returns an HTML button tag. Remember to export this function as the default export so that it can be used on other pages. Now, open the page.js file located in the app directory. Begin by importing the button component into this file, and then use the function name you exported as an HTML tag in your page.js. Once you've done that, run the server and go to localhost 3000 to check if everything is working properly. That's it. This is how you can create components in NextJs. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't done so already.